Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is going to be a busy day, so might as well get after it. So to get things kicked off, wanted to bring the trailer inside so it could de-thaw. We need to get it rewired and get this fender welded back on. So we'll let that happen while we run down south. Okay, so now the trailer's in the shop melting so that it can get worked on when we get back. Now Shane and I are heading south to Pocatello to pick up a air compressor so we can run the sandblaster.
Yeah, we gotta get that done. Drop by here so I can check on trigger.
Okay. So we just got back from Pocatello with that air compressor for the sandblaster. Now I'm gonna run back and check to see if all the snow is melted off this trailer so we can get that fender welded on and get it rewired so we can run up and grab a pickup. So some of the snow melted, but it's not all melted yet. It's trying. But it's good enough to...
You could probably just shovel that.
That. So this is what weld that back together. Yeah.
Weld that.
So yeah, it's thawed enough to weld that.
Yeah, that's all we do.
And then it doesn't matter if there's snow on here. And it's not like this is gonna be crazy to. Huh?
If you can weld it and get it out of here, then there'd be less water on the floor.
Yeah. Well, let's do it. Alright, so the fender's welded back on. I'll run up and check on Shane. I know he's working on getting some wiring done up front. How's it going up here, buddy?
Almost there. Put the new stuff in now, so.
Sweet.
Just gotta clean it all up.
Okay. Got that charging. So I'm currently on hold with Jags right now, waiting on a price quote for the new bead roller and some dies and the table and kind of all of that. Hopefully the shipping isn't absolutely going to kill me. If they're wanting to hammer me on the shipping as far as, you know, this particular bead roller is concerned, I'll check out, you know, a couple other bead rollers that they do have available that come with free shipping. Because, I mean, freight, depending upon what it is generally like $300 to $400. So I'm hoping it's nowhere near that. All right, so we got the bead rollers ordered and on the way. You know, we might see that this next week. I'm pretty excited for that to show up. Trailer's welded, as you guys saw earlier. It's hooked up. We're gonna run up to my house, grab the 73 parts truck, bring that down here, and then run and grab another truck.
And we're wearing our seatbelts so you guys can't hear the dinging.
Yeah.
FYI.
Oh man. So, GTO soon.
Just waiting on brakes, man. This is the story of my life. Wait for parts. Hurry up and wait for parts.
So we're trying to break that habit. Yesterday, Shane ordered all the stuff for the bed for the F100 build. So that should be showing up hopefully next week.
Yeah, it'll be here next week.
And then all the rust repair panels for that. We'll probably end up making the floor pans with the bead roller. I talked to Matt about the back half and the 4-link yesterday. And so I know he's ordering a bunch of metal at the end of this week. Hopefully he'll have it. He says he'll probably have about 30 hours in building that.
Wow.
So
I believe it. It's crazy, but it's crazy how long stuff takes. But to make it nice, it's gotta be, it takes some time.
That's for sure.
We also got that front end and sitting. We got it located and bought. We just got to get it moved 400 miles to get it here. So
it might be one of those pallet deals. But I talked to Joe this morning, and he hasn't got a hold of this guy. He's supposed to come over and see if he can figure something out. He told me he was willing to drive it over, so that would be awesome.
Yeah, that would be great. Cool. I think that's, yeah, we're just gonna have to get this cab and just start going through and see if there's any other stuff we got to get. But that's the problem, is when you get down to the end. The reason I ordered was the parts for the 61 F100 that I'm building, and you just to the end, and there's just the little things that you didn't think about. Or you just change your mind and say, well, it looks so much better, I'm gonna go ahead and put new stuff in because it looks better. And it looks weird putting the old stuff back in when everything else, the paint, the interior, all the upholstery is brand new, and to have knobs that are all sun bleached or cracked, and it just doesn't look right. So it'll make it look better, I think. Yeah.
I'm so excited to see that thing together.
Well, I checked today, but tomorrow's Friday, and typically on Fridays I try to run out, see where we're at progress-wise. I know that not this next weekend, but the 16th and 17th, it's going to be at that Chrome in the Dome car show in Pocatello. So, it'll be ready. It'll be there.
Definitely excited to go check out that show. I've missed it the past few years since I've lived here, and I'm definitely excited.
There's more and more trucks all the time, which is really cool, I think. But we'll see. There's always, it's a lot of cars, and there's a lot of nice cars here locally. But it's always fun to see what new stuff people will bring in. I know that there's going to be a 60s swept side short box 4-wheel drive Dodge. It's a project. They're putting a Cummins in. That's going to be a cool project, to watch them build. It'll be there as a project, I'm sure. But and then there might be a 4-door, 1975 4-door, so crew cab dentside, that may be down there as a project as well. So if you're free, go check it out.
Yeah, if you're in the area, definitely come out to Chrome in the Dome. We'll be wandering around, checking things out. So hopefully we'll see you guys there. All right, unloaded. It's sitting in its new home for the time being. Now, time to go get the other one.
So we had to make a U-turn on our attempt to retrieve one truck. We got a phone call from a friend that actually the trailer that we're using belongs to. He got a flat tire on his Land Cruiser on the way home, so we got to go save him and get him home.
Bummer.
Well, we got Norm home. That wasn't too bad. Now we just go get Thumper and get Thumper down to the shop so we can get Thumper back on the road.
Find out what's wrong.
I don't think it'll be a bad fix. I think it'll be quick and simple.
I hope so. So what I didn't tell you guys was I had a little issue with my daily. And we haven't been able to come and get it until today. But when we get to the shop, I'll give you guys kind of a quick rundown on what happened. We're not sure what actually has to get fixed, but we should know soon, right?
Yeah, just gotta get under it.
Okay, time to show you guys the little problem that I got here. So that we're gonna diagnose and fix maybe this weekend. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. I appreciate you guys watching the video. You know, it was a lot of hauling and running around and doing random stuff, but you know, got a lot accomplished. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button, like it, comment, share it, tell your friends, and we'll catch you next time.